Hey everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of DIY beauty with a super simple, super effective recipe, a natural body scrub. That's right, we're ditching the store-bought stuff and whipping up our own luxurious spa treatment right at home. We'll go through all the steps together, from the ingredients to the application, and I'll even share some awesome benefits of using a DIY body scrub. Get ready to pamper yourselves. Okay, let's gather our ingredients. Today, we're diving into the world of natural skincare with a simple yet effective recipe that you can easily whip up at home. For this recipe, you'll need a few simple natural ingredients that you might already have in your pantry. These ingredients are not only easy to find but also packed with benefits for your skin. First up, we have sugar. This common kitchen staple is more than just a sweetener for your coffee or tea. Sugar is a fantastic natural exfoliant. It helps to gently buff away dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling super soft and smooth. The fine granules are perfect for sloughing off dead skin without causing irritation. We'll be using regular granulated sugar today, but you can also experiment with other types like brown sugar or even coconut sugar. Each type has its own unique properties and benefits. Next, we have coconut oil. This versatile oil is a staple in many natural beauty recipes. Coconut oil is incredibly moisturizing and nourishing for your skin. It helps to hydrate and soften, leaving it with a beautiful, healthy glow. Plus, it smells amazing. The natural fats in coconut oil penetrate deep into the skin, providing long-lasting moisture. If you don't have coconut oil, you can substitute it with another oil like almond oil, olive oil, or jojoba oil. Each of these oils has its own unique set of benefits and can be used based on your skin's needs. And finally, for an extra touch of luxury and aromatherapy, we're adding in some essential oils. These oils not only enhance the scent of your skincare products, but also offer various therapeutic benefits. Essential oils not only smell divine, but they also have therapeutic properties that can benefit your skin and your mood. For instance, lavender essential oil is known for its calming effects, while peppermint oil can invigorate and refresh. For this recipe, I'm using a combination of lavender essential oil, which is known for its calming and relaxing properties, and peppermint essential oil, which has a refreshing and invigorating scent. This blend not only smells wonderful, but also provides a balanced mix of relaxation and invigoration. Feel free to use your favorite essential oils or create your own custom blend. The beauty of making your own skincare products is that you can tailor them to your personal preferences and needs. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for you. Now comes the fun part, mixing our ingredients. Grab a bowl and add in your sugar. We're using 1 cup of sugar for this recipe. Next, add in your coconut oil. We're using half a cup of coconut oil. You want the consistency to be like wet sand. If it's too dry, add in a little bit more coconut oil. If it's too wet, add in a little bit more sugar. And finally, add in your essential oils. I'm adding in about 10 drops of lavender essential oil and 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. You can adjust the amount of essential oils to your liking. Now, use a spoon or spatula to mix everything together until it's well combined. And there you have it, your very own DIY natural body scrub. Alright, time to apply our luxurious scrub. This is the moment where all your hard work in creating the perfect blend pays off. Get ready to pamper yourself. First, hop in the shower or bath and wet your skin. Make sure your skin is thoroughly damp, as this will help the scrub glide on smoothly and evenly. Then scoop out a generous amount of your scrub and gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions. This motion helps to exfoliate dead skin cells and improve circulation, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Be sure to avoid any sensitive areas like your eyes and mouth. These areas are more delicate and can be easily irritated by the scrub's ingredients. For those of you with sensitive skin, be extra gentle when applying the scrub. Use light pressure and take your time to ensure you don't cause any irritation. You can also test it out on a small area of your skin first before applying it all over. This patch test will help you determine if your skin reacts well to the scrub. For those of you with dry skin, you can leave the scrub on for a few minutes to let the coconut oil really soak in and moisturize your skin. This extra time allows the nourishing ingredients to penetrate deeper, providing more hydration. And for those of you with oily skin, you can rinse the scrub off immediately after applying it. This helps to avoid any excess oil buildup on your skin. Once you're done scrubbing, Rinse your skin thoroughly with warm water and pat it dry with a towel. Make sure to remove all the scrub residue to reveal your smooth, glowing skin underneath. So, why go through the effort of making your own body scrub? It's a question worth pondering, especially in a world where convenience often trumps creativity. Well, besides the fact that it's super fun and satisfying, there are actually tons of benefits to using a natural body scrub. First and foremost, exfoliation. This is a crucial step in any skincare routine. Our scrub's sugar granules work wonders in gently removing those dead skin cells that can make our skin look dull and tired. By sloughing off these dead cells, we pave the way for new, healthy skin to emerge. This reveals the fresh, radiant skin underneath, giving you that healthy glow we all crave. It's like unveiling a new layer of yourself, one that's vibrant and full of life. And speaking of healthy glow, using a natural body scrub can actually improve circulation. This is an often overlooked benefit that can have a significant impact on your overall skin health. The act of massaging the scrub onto your skin helps to stimulate blood flow, which can bring more oxygen and nutrients to the surface of your skin, promoting a more youthful and vibrant appearance. This increased circulation can also help to reduce the appearance of cellulite and improve skin tone. Of course, we can't forget about moisture. Hydration is key to maintaining healthy skin, and our natural body scrub excels in this area. Coconut oil, our star ingredient, is a powerhouse of hydration. It's rich in fatty acids that help to lock in moisture and create a protective barrier on the skin. It helps to lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft, supple, and oh so touchable. The result is skin that not only looks good, but feels amazing to the touch. Plus, the essential oils we added not only provide a delightful aromatherapy experience, but they can also offer additional benefits depending on the oils you choose. These oils can transform your skincare routine into a spa-like experience. Lavender, for instance, can help to soothe and calm the skin, making it perfect for those with sensitive or irritated skin. While peppermint can provide a refreshing and invigorating sensation, it's great for waking up your senses and giving your skin a cool, tingling feeling. Now that you've made this amazing scrub, you'll want to keep it fresh and fabulous for as long as possible. The key is proper storage. Find a clean, airtight container for your scrub. This will help to prevent any moisture or contaminants from getting in and spoiling your hard work. I like to use a glass jar with a lid, but you can use any container that you like. Once you've transferred your scrub to the container, store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. This will help to preserve the quality of the ingredients and prevent the coconut oil from melting. With proper storage, your scrub should last for several weeks, if not longer. And that's it. You've officially become a DIY beauty guru. Thanks for joining me on this DIY beauty adventure. I hope you enjoyed making this natural body scrub as much as I did. It's such a simple and rewarding way to pamper yourself and give your skin some extra love. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to this channel for more DIY beauty tips and tricks. And be sure to let me know in the comments below what you thought of this recipe, and if you have any other DIY beauty requests. Until next time, stay beautiful.